Yeah. So you did that real good.
Yeah, that's my name. They call me real good, motherfucker.
Real good.
Yeah. And look, over here. I made your panel beautiful.
Nice right here.
Look, here. The guy didn't want to feel the...
Oh, the line.
I said, okay, I'll do that for you. I told this girl, hey, get yourself a Mexican, because when you got a Mexican, he'll build your house, he'll fix your roof, build your kitchen, remodel your house, your room, your bedroom, like cut the yard, fucking do everything.
5,000? Yeah. Man, you could have hooked me up and you got to put a whole back of a car on. Yo, welcome to G1 Vision, another vision of G1. How you guys doing today, man? Hopefully y'all having a great, blessful day. Blessful, I said blessful. A blessed day. Today is another great day for me, man. You know, I'm excited. Let me get back into life for y'all again, because I always had this problem. But before I get into the video, man, it's a great video I'm about to show y'all. It has something to do with my truck again, man. You know, it's a great positive day that I have more feed on it. And, you know, I'm finna get down to it. But before we get into it, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on that notification and smack that bell button, man. And, you know, and comment down below. And possibly share. Let them know what it is, man. G1 Vision, we a gang. But as y'all can see, I don't think I too much spoke up on... brighten it out. I don't think I too much spoke up on my shirt. You know, this is a shirt that I wear a lot. I have multiple of these shirts. So if you see me wearing this shirt right here quite a few times, I wear it for promotion. It's all about me wearing it for the promotion. You know, I stay promoting my YouTube, like at all times. Like, I have more shirts that I'm getting made and stuff. You know, it's more stuff. It's a lot more stuff coming to the channel. But before I get into all that, I'm not even gonna get into all of that. I'm just throwing it out there. But other than that, man, today we finna go check on my truck. And as we going to check on my truck, man, the dude works fast. As y'all seen in the last video, he works so freaking fast, it's crazy. Like, I thought it was gonna be a little more time than this, but little dude is a little damn Speedy Gonzalez with this. Hopefully, you know, I'm not complaining about anything being rushed, but, you know, I just hope that the job is looking just as good as patience as something being done over time. But he say it's ready, but I didn't get to finish ordering some things that's supposed to come in, and I still got to order some more things. But he's talking about it ready, come pick it up today. I'm not coming to pick it up today, just to let y'all know that. Definitely not, man, Mr. Speedy Gonzalez. But I'm finna go put some more money in the bank, finish ordering some parts, drop him off some more money, and he just gonna have to be patient on some things like that. But other than that, I'm gonna stop by the post office, gotta drop some things off. You gotta watch what you order online sometimes, man. These people, you gotta read the details, because they'll be slick. They got me shipping back some things, man. I'm kind of upset about some things I had to order for actually this camera right here. But besides that, we finna just jump on the road, man. I'm done with talking. On this vlog, I'm not talking too much, but just on what I'm showing. Other than that, let's get rolling. Bye. Thank you. Alright, y'all, we just pulling up. And he did finish that pretty fast. That looked like a solid truck to me, so we finna get out, you know, and chop it up with him, see what it's all about. Drop him off some bread. And I went by the bank and didn't even bring my damn card to put money on my bank card to get online to order some of the other stuff that I need to order. So I'm gonna have to order that later, And like I said, I'm coming up here to drop him some bread. He want me to pick it up. I'm not about to pick it up because I do not want to pick it up. I want everything done on it. So once I get everything done on it and what I want done, then that's when I will go back and say that it's finalized for me to come get it. You know, Franken got to come out right. That's what this is about, Franken. Don't forget the name Franken. But again, let's get out and talk to him and see what he's talking about. Chop. Y'all looking pretty good. Looking real good. Maybe I need to see it in the sun more. Take these off. Look real good.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Look how beautiful I make you, Peno. And look over here. I made you Peno beautiful. Your 2 doors. And look what I did for you inside. I replaced the pillar with the one that I went and got. And I put the seats and everything. Eh?
So you did that real good.
Yeah, that's my name. They call me real good, motherfucker.
Real good.
Look, I didn't do anything to the hood because you didn't bring the hood.
Well, that's what I'm still waiting on to come in the mail.
In the mail?
Yeah.
They sell them over here in Phoenix for $3.97.
They don't sell that same hood.
Oh, it's a different one?
Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm satisfied. I like the reflection on it. You know, you got the reflection pretty solid on there and stuff. So I think it's some more stuff that I'm gonna have him do. You definitely got to pull them strips off. Some things like that. So like I said, I got to get my hood. He didn't paint the hood. He didn't touch anywhere over here until he gets my hood. That's why I say he's not done. And I'm getting this grill, so I'm coming in black so it can match the hood. And like I said, the cow hood, I got the headlights and all of that. Things like that. Oh yeah, he got to paint my bumper. So yeah, he's definitely ain't done. He's definitely not. Well, I come to drop off some more money for you. I see that's what you're all about, is the money. Let me go ahead and check out this cab on it. He got this cab looking pretty good and pretty solid. Not bad. I want him to hit this with some more clear coat, I should say, because it feel a little flat. But other than that, you know, I'm supposed to chop it up with him, you know, touch some details with him and see what else we can get done. And then again, he got some, oh yeah, you're gonna have to get this right here. Got some heavy clear coat running right there. So yeah, definitely have to touch with that. Oh, he painted my, listen, how the hell he get them solid on there? Wow, I was gonna pull them off. Still gonna yank them off. So yeah, let's go in here and chop it up with him and, you know, finish up some other things and get this ball rolling in so I can order this hood. Yeah, I'm getting to work.
They're not gonna have it, too. No, I'll finish you for you, but you don't have the cook.
8.
So you owe me 1,000?
Yeah, where's that?
Pay 800. I can pay the other side molding for you if you give me like 150.
Just for some moldings? That's a lot.
I'll make it more. face.
See, how about you just take that side off and just paint it, and the other side I can just peel it
I
off.
take them off. No, it's
Yeah.
original.
I don't want that. I like them off of there. It looks better with them off.
No, it looks better with them. Este car looks so pretty whenever I after the run. It's gonna look perfect and I clear the panel inside. You got a good job done and you didn't cost you $1 million if you touch it was gonna run. Remember you?
I don't see. I can't. I ain't got extra
Well,
150.
whenever you get some money in another year or so.
I gotta pull them off. I gotta pull them off now.
So you want to take the truck, or what are you gonna do? Take it here until the 18th, to the 20th,
I'll be back. I want to take it. I want to bring the hood, bumper,
and get everything done at the same time.
everything done at the same time.
Okay, so look, at least we have the woods work with it.
Yeah, you did a lot of good work. You did the dent and all at the door.
I cut the little corner, and
Yeah.
I cut it here, and then I weld it back.
Yeah,
and
you did.
those the doors, they close open and perfect.
Yeah, I see you did a good job on that.
So
man.
that part is the heavy part that I was afraid of.
Yeah, I see. I test the doors when I did them. They open and close real good. I see you got the line on it, real the
everything's
gap.
worked good.
Yeah, it looks.
He's Mexican. I told him the guy that helped me change the tires.
Yeah,
I told him that you won't give him like $20 tip because he'll help you change the tires and he'll put the pillar.
yeah.
And he'll give me 20. Yeah, because he wants to buy me.
Tell him I'll hook him up. I'll hook him up. I got him.
See how good a job he did for you?
See, man, and like I told you, I'm gonna bring my Camaro.
Yeah.
I want my Camaro done too.
No, that was before your time.
That was way before my time, man. I was born
There
in.
was something beautiful. You know, back in the
87.
good old days, I say, what do you do when somebody fires shots? He said, you duck. You imagine? If you duck, motherfucker, that's the only thing you can do, right?
That's all you can do.
You can duck, sometimes you stay down, you know, with your head down for a couple of days.
A couple days.
Yeah, because if you move, the Vietnamese, they don't go to sleep.
Oh hell no, man. I'm glad that ain't in my time.
You know what happened? It probably get lost. The sky.
Hey, we got
it's a no captain.
we got so much technology. We might take control of it.
Turn the motherfucker
Hey,
back to
that's
them.
like right now. You make a phone call, they'll take over your phone call. What makes you think they can't take over that? Damn, what you doing to this? What this going to?
That one.
Damn, you done chopped the whole back of it off.
Look over here.
Ah,
And then the frame is also bent. So I'm replacing the frame too.
that's the back frame that under there?
Yeah, underneath. See the wheel? Whoever hit there, it hit everything.
Yeah, they tore this one. How much you charging for something like this?
5,000.
5,000?
Yeah.
Man, you could have hooked me up and you gotta put a whole back of a car on. See?
I'm gonna
Look.
this one.
He come to you one time. Me, I come to you multiple times.
Yeah, but every customer I got, they repeat customers.
See, he ain't gonna repeat like me, see. I'm bringing more of my cars and I'm finna bring some of my boys' cars. What's going on there? What's that frame?
Frame?
Yeah,
That's a new frame. The old frame is in it.
a new frame.
And look, I'm gonna replace the frame on this one.
Yeah. What's wrong with that frame? It's twisted?
It's broken, it's bent everywhere. See, the ears, they're off place. So this thing, they will never be able to do front end alignment.
Ooh.
And if you want to go 120, it's going to be, you know, what that motherfucker on the road, right?
You damn sure don't want to be on the road with that. That'd be an ugly look.
So we went and got a brand new frame from the factory.
Damn.
And my son changed the suspension on this guy right away. He charged me $500.
So hold on, the frame just came by itself and y'all put the suspension on there?
Yeah. And we took it off from that one and put it on this one. Now we're gonna take the motor and put it on here, and the wire and all that bullshit, and then the calf nuts. See, some Mexicans, they do some good work.
Oh man, that's why I'm coming to you.
I told this girl, hey, get yourself a Mexican, because when you got a Mexican, he'll build your house, he'll fix your roof, build your kitchen, remodel your house, your room, your bedroom, like cut the yard. Fucking I do everything. You know, she's ain't no shit. I need one of those motherfuckers right now.
You ain't never lied, man. Who truck is this right here? Y'all put y'all doing this? Y'all paint the whole thing?
Yeah, it's a guarantee. The guy didn't like it. I said, well, paint it over. Fuck it.
Yeah? What year is this?
2018, 15, 17, I'm not sure. 17.
Yeah?
Look, we're gonna paint one right here. A Murano.
Morano.
We're gonna paint it.
The whole car?
The whole car.
Yeah?
Pretty nice.
Yeah, man. You're doing a good job. It's going back. It's going black?
Yeah.
Y'all painted this right here, huh?
Yeah, we painted this baby.
Nice right here.
Look, here. The guy didn't want to feel the.
Oh, the line.
I said, well, okay, I'll do that for you.
Did a good job on that, man.
You know, this guy, we better do a good job because he's a lawyer. He's an attorney.
Okay.
He told me, hey, one phone call of mine, you'll be selling umbrellas in Nogales. I say, what? You don't fuck with me. You know? The white guy. I say, well, okay, sir. I don't want to sell umbrellas.
Hey, man, you got to do right by him because he can save your ass. He'll save you.
Yeah.
It's look good though, man. But yeah, I'm get my look at the roosters, man. Y'all ever get hungry and think about cooking them things? Man, make some
It's
good.
not the ones that you eat.
Why not?
Because they don't have no hormones. You know, they give hormones to the chickens at the store.
So what you eat the other ones?
We don't need none.
None?
They have hormones. Neither them or none.
So how do you know when they ain't got hormones?
They on the street, nobody feeds them. This motherfucker's hungry right there. He's hungry, he gives them.
So those your chickens?
They're not mine. Hey, look, it's more over there.
See them? You can't eat them?
Yeah, you can eat, but they is very small. You're not gonna get nothing but bones.
This ain't nothing for balls. This is crazy.
There's probably like a pound of chicken in there, but bones.
Maybe a sandwich.
Yeah, it's all. Or soup. Poor guys, they was fighting alone.
Oh, wait. All right, well,
All right,
like I said, I'm waiting for the whistle name to come in.
Go ahead and back it up so I can park the truck somewhere. On the long
Yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Like I said, I just came to peep out the truck and take a look at it. You know, he got me pretty right because I remember these was offline. I had ugly gaps between there. Things like that, and you know, got it looking good. So he's still not done. Still got more work to do. But other than that, just to get up out of here. You know, this vlog was just about a quick peek of the truck and basically, you know, just checking up on it. But other than that, man, finna close out this vlog until the next, man. Hopefully the next vlog will be taking this bad boy home and load my wheels back up on there and getting out in traffic. Franking is back. You already know. Yada da.